my current husband. We just love to worship the Lord and praise God, and yeah.
What do you mean by your current husband? I don't get it.
Aren't you my current husband?
I don't get it. What do you mean your current husband? Why you couldn't just say
You're
your husband?
currently my husband.
Yeah, but why you couldn't just say your husband? Why the current? Like, I don't get it.
Well, you're not my previous husband. You're my current husband. So, I don't know. I just said it.
Probably need to change it. Change it over.
But aren't you my current husband, babe?
No, I am your husband. Do you plan to get another husband? I don't understand you.
No, I don't plan on getting another husband. But you're currently my current
So
husband.
you keep changing husband? What do you mean by current? Like, you still not
It means
husband.
you're my husband right now.
And who's gonna be your husband in the future?
You're always gonna be my
So
husband.
why you couldn't use a different? Why you couldn't use?
So me and my always husband.
No,
Me and my forever husband. Is that better?
you're crazy.
Is that better?
I'd say me and my beautiful wife or something.
Oh, me and
my
my handsome husband are just leaving church.
current husband.